Do you want to know how you can log into your Jukebox AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Jukebox OpenAI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Jukebox AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of OpenAI and you can see Jukebox. Go ahead and click login, which you can see on the top right hand corner, and you will see a login portal of OpenAI platform. Wait for a while and a login portal will open up. After the login portal opens up, go ahead and search for ChatGPT or OpenAI. So if you want to log into your Jukebox, you can scroll a bit down and you can see some of the samples over here. Now to log in, go ahead and choose one of these and then click login. After you click login, you can see that you can log in to this OpenAI platform using your email address, your Google account, your Microsoft account or your Apple account. So choose whichever is easy for you. So let me choose Google. Let me choose my Google account over here, and then if I give permission to ChatGPT, you can see that this OpenAI also gives permission to Jukebox. This was a video on how you can log into your Jukebox OpenAI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.